Mr. Beast and his trip to Africa to build 100 wells. This story is less than a day, but it's catching fire around every corner of the globe. Mr. Beast, the most popular YouTuber in the world, was known for his crazy stunts and challenges. But his most ambitious project yet was his trip to Africa to build 100 wells. Mr. Beast had always wanted to do something to help others, and he knew that access to clean water was a major problem in Africa. So he decided to use his platform and resources to make a difference. Mr. Beast and his team spent months planning the trip. They identified the areas where the wells were most needed, and they secured the necessary permits and materials. They also raised over 10 million from Mr. Beast's fans to fund the project. When Mr. Beast and his team finally arrived in Africa, they were greeted by hundreds of people who were eager to help. They worked tirelessly for weeks, and they eventually managed to build 100 wells, providing clean water to over 100,000 people. Mr. Beast's trip to Africa was a huge success. He not only made a real difference in the lives of thousands of people, but he also inspired his fans to get involved in charity work. His story is a reminder that anyone can make a difference, no matter how big or small. To conclude, Mr. Beast's trip to Africa was a life-changing experience. He saw firsthand the impact that clean water can have on a community, and he was inspired to continue working to help others. Since his trip to Africa, Mr. Beast has started a foundation to support various charitable causes. He has also used his platform to raise awareness of important issues such as poverty and hunger. Mr. Beast is an inspiration to us all. He shows us that it is possible to use our talents and resources to make a positive difference in the world. If that warms your heart, subscribe and share.